afternoon, folks. Big Bo here with, especially right now, an ultra rare Class B camper van. And now, folks, this one right here is not your standard Class B motorhome. This is very, very specialties type item, and for somebody looking for this is really a godsend, because there's not another one like it for sale anywhere on the internet right now. This is a 2001 Independence by Leisure Travel. It is a Class B, fully self-contained motorhome, fully handicapped, accessible, and equipped. This is a one-owner motorhome, come out of Middle Alabama. Bought it from the original owner, who ordered this thing brand new from Leisure Travel. This is not a third-party conversion. This was actually a factory conversion, wheelchair accessible with lift Class B mini motorhome. 20 foot long, got only 43,000 miles, folks. Got good looking Michelin tires that look almost brand new. In 2013, the previous owner, he had a brand new 2.8 Onan generator installed that's running right now, powering everything in this little motorhome. These things get incredible fuel mileage, right around 15 miles per gallon. They're easy to drive, easy to park. It is a wide body, so you get a bigger bed in the back. And these are neat little motorhomes, folks. It really is. Does have, now this is not the lift, this is the storage, the carrier rack, and it is powered. All fiberglass, including fiberglass roof. Wide body, it's easy to drive. We drove it about 300 miles here. It did great. It's got the 5.9 liter, 360 cubic inch V8 by Dodge. The van's got ice cold dash air. This van has been babied its whole life, folks. I mean, this is a one owner van. Like I said, this is all factory. And it is really, folks, for what it is, this van, if it was just a regular Class B camper van in an 01 with 43,000 miles, it would bring 29.9, much less one equipped like this. So even if you didn't need the equipment on it, you could sell that equipment. In fact, I know a place right now that will take it out for you and pay you for it. If you just wanted to buy the van and have the stuff removed and used it for a Class B camper van. Folks, these things, Class B camper vans, for those of you who watch my channel, you know I haven't done one in a long time because they are not out there, at least not in the price range that we buy and sell them for. And this one right here really is a rare motorhome. Let me show you the lift. This is a Braun lift, of course. Works perfectly. It's got the controls on the lift as well as the little wired remote here. Perfect size for this van. Only reason these folks sold it because they were getting up there in years and they just were not able to take it out and enjoy it, and they didn't want this thing to sit and deteriorate. That was their, in fact, they even asked us, make sure this goes to somebody that's going to take care of it, because they were really attached to it. They've owned it for 18 years. They've took a lot of trips in it. They've enjoyed it, and it's really suit their needs quite well. And you can see it's got the laminate floor with the tracks, so you can adjust everything. It does have, let's walk inside here, the dash air will run you out of here. 43,000 miles, no check engine light. It does have a backup camera system that does work. I know on camera it's going to flicker. That's because that's a CRT monitor. This is an HD camera, and the refresh rate is not compatible. But in person, that's a clear picture of the back of this van with no, it's not moving. It's just perfect, guaranteed. Dash air is cold, power windows, power locks, power mirrors, tilt cruise. In factory CD and cassette. The seats are absolutely immaculate. Dash is perfect, windshield's perfect. You've got 500 hours, and I'm not sure if that's on the new generator or if they just use the existing remote and that's total hours. I'm not sure. It's got the optional Firestone adjustable air suspension that you can firm or soften the ride on the go. You've got, of course, the third seat in here. There's your table, and the table can set up right here in the back. Got the handicap accessible bathroom. We've got the open toilet, grab handles. Most Class Bs have a very small shower, but this particular one, folks, is big. In fact, the shower, and I'm going to try to show you the shower curtain right here, goes all the way around this area. So this is all custom built by Leisure Travel. Got a 3-way RV refrigerator and freezer, and it does work. We've already checked the major systems, folks. 2-burner stovetop, never been cooked in. They told us that. They've never cooked on this stovetop since they bought it brand new. In fact, it's only been lit when they bought it, when they demoed it to them when it was new. Got a stainless steel sink, all your books and manuals, got service records galore, receipts, coffee maker, got a roof air that's ice cold that I've got on right now. This sofa in the back is power, it makes a bed. In fact, I'll try to show you real quick if you got a second. So you got a full-size bed right here, and you can leave it down all the time if you want to. So got a full-size bed, like I said, overhead air. I like the fact that they got the air lower down so you don't have that shroud sticking up on top of the roof, ruining your gas mileage. Headphone jacks. Wow. I mean, folks, for what this unit is, this thing's really a great deal. It's clean, there's no smoke, no pet odors. And like I said, if you have a need for a van like this, finding one used is like going to a store and buying a winning lottery ticket for $1 million, and it just doesn't happen. You don't see these things used. These things are so expensive new. I mean, you traditionally have to spend 120, 130 grand to have one of these built minimum at the factory, or spend 20, 25 grand having an existing van converted. But I'm going to sell you this van, folks, for what you're going to spend, just about a little bit more than you're going to spend having a current van converted into this. By the time you put the lift in it, change the interior to this, then you'd have to buy the van too, which would be another 25, 30 grand. So it's a great deal, folks. It's $29.9. I'm not trying to get rich off of it. That's what it takes to buy it. I'm not going to take a penny less for it, folks. Find another one at any price. $29.9. We're going to go through it. Now, we've already checked the major systems, which is the running, the driving. We've checked the refrigerator, the generator, the roof, and the dash air, and the backup camera. That's the only things we've checked so far in the lifts. So we've already done about 50% of the checkout. But if you take this thing for the $29.9 option A haggle-free price, folks, we're going to go through it, check your propane system. It's got a furnace, water heater. We're going to check all that, check your plumbing system, check your refrigerator on all 3 modes of operation, electric, DC, and propane. Make sure it works like it's supposed to. We're going to check drawers, cabinets, pretty much lights all work, vent fan. It's got a big vent fan up there. It's got a cover on it. This is a nice van, folks. There's no odors in it, no smoke pad odors, no mold or mildew odors or like from water leaks, no sign that it's leaked. Be honest with you, there's not many places that can leak. Got a flat screen TV, VCR up front. Grab handles up top. So it's definitely it's laid out right if you're needing something like this, folks, and it's a great deal. Like I said, find another one. There's not one out there. This was not a third-party conversion. This was a factory. That's why they call it independence. factory, Class B, and I've never had one like this, and probably never will again. This is something that you only see come on the market once every few years. I mean, this is a very, I would love to find more of these, because we do have, I know most of you that are on my YouTube channel are here to see Class B camper vans. And this is just one of those that if you've got a need for it, this thing's a bargain. $29.9, checked out, ready to go. After it's been through service and my cleanup crew gets a hold of it inside and out. After you purchase it, of course, we'll call you to set up a time to pick it up. Once you arrive here at your appointed time, the RV tech will show you how to operate everything, show you how everything works, and do a checklist and have you sign off on that checklist as he goes through every system. Give you 21 nights of free camping, up to 7 nights at a time at select RV resorts. Unfortunately, folks, 2001 model is too old to get a warranty on it. I don't have a warranty company that will write a policy on a 2001 model. So 2004 is old as they go back. So you might, if you have to have a warranty, you might be able to find one on your own, but I can't get it through any of my providers. But be honest with you, folks, time we checked this thing out and the way they kept this camper van, they kept it in a carport. I mean, this thing's been well taken care of, folks. It's nicer than most camper vans are that are 10 or 12 years newer for twice the money. Anyway, folks, 706-965-7929. Give us a call. You can email us at sales@parkwayrvcenter.com. Please call ahead. This thing, I'd hate to see the number of views that this van's going to get in the first 24 hours alone, much less 48 or 72 hours. Please call ahead before traveling any significant distance to make sure this unit's still available. This is a deal, folks, that nobody is going to let distance stop them from buying this van. If you've got a need for this van and you live 3,000 miles away, you're going to come here and buy this van once you see this video. That's just, I know these are so rare, and the people that need them, these are hard to find. And even for me as a dealer, I've just got very, very lucky. The owner that had this seen one of my videos, and I say we always buy these vans, folks. In fact, I'll go ahead and say it now on this. If you've got a Class B camper van or a conversion van that you want to sell, we'll make you a generous cash offer for it if it's in nice condition. If it's not nice, I don't want it at any price. Distance and miles does not scare me, folks. I've sent people as far away as 3,000 miles to buy these vans before. And I'm not scared to do it again if we can make the right deal. So give us a call if you've got one of these vans for sale. 706-965-7929. But it has to be nice. I do not buy junk. I do not buy projects. If I'm going to sell it to my customers, it's got to be something I would sell to one of my own family members. It's got to be nice. Anyway, folks, $29.9, option A, haggle-free firm. Doesn't matter if you're paying cash, if you're financing, or if you're trading in, or a combination of the three. Now, we do take vehicles in on trade. We take just about anything of value in on trade besides an RV. I've traded for local property, guns, jewelry. I've traded for tools, lawn equipment, tractors, semi-trucks. If I can get a value on it, I'm not scared to put a trade figure on it, folks. So if you've got something different to trade, let us know. We'll do our best. And if it's property-wise, has to be within 25, 30 miles of our location, or we're not interested. But anyway, folks, 706-965-7929. Rare opportunity to buy one of these vans, especially for this price, because, you go to most dealers, and if it's got a handicap lift or handicap accessible, they double the price. This is the same price that a 43,000 mile 2001 leisure travel would be without this equipment. So believe me, I'm not getting rich on this deal, but it's a deal that I can offer to my customers that you're not going to find anywhere else. Give us a call, folks. Drop us an email. Financing is available with approved credit, and as with most of these Class B camper vans, you will have to have, because of the year model, you will have to have quite a bit of money down, so please keep that in mind. Got a microwave too, meant to tell you that. But keep that in mind, folks. You will probably have to have 35-40% down if you want to finance it. I only have a select number of lenders that will finance an 01 model. This van's got a lot of life left to it. There's somebody that needs it that's going to take care of it. It'll take care of them. Got the skylights over there. I mean, it's just a neat van, folks, and you can't pick it anywhere. So come out, look at this van, come drive it, see what you think about it. You're not going to be disappointed. 706-965-7929. Please call ahead before coming to look to make sure it's available. If you want to fly in, which I strongly suspect somebody will to pick it up, we'll pick you up for free at Chattanooga, Tennessee Airport during business hours. Easy airport to fly in and out of. We do offer an option B price, which option B is you buy the van like it is. We're not going to do any further inspection on it. No cleaning or nothing like that. Just take it as is. That means the buyer is 100% responsible for any current or future repairs that this van might need, and there's no exclusions to that rule. Doesn't matter if it's an RV component, running gear component. When you take the option B, you buy it as is, and you're responsible for any repairs. Excuse me, folks. Yeah. That cold air is going right in my mouth. Anyway, this thing's got a heck of an air between that front and that rear air, and I'm right here in the middle of them. I'm getting blasted. Give us a call, folks, 706-965-7929. And that number's answered 24/7. You can email us, sales@parkwayrvcenter.com. Don't wait around. Time you wait around for this person and that person to look at this camper van before you decide if you want it, somebody else is going to buy it. In fact, I'd be very, very surprised. Today's Friday evening. I'll be very surprised if it's still here Monday morning. For somebody looking for this van, they're going to buy it sight unseen. If you can, come look at it, come test drive it, decide if it's the right one for you. If you can't, give us a call. We're more than happy to take additional pictures, additional videos, whatever you need to make your decision to buy this van. We'll be more than happy to do our best to accommodate you. You're not going to be disappointed. If you've been looking for this van, you're going to thank us for it. Thank you for watching. Nationwide deliveries available. Again, one more time, our phone number is 706-965-7929. And email sales@parkwayrvcenter.com. Go to my website, parkwayrvcenter.com. Check out my class. Well, this one and my one other Class B that I have available. And if you want to see it on my website, go to parkwayrvcenter.com or go to the video description if you're on YouTube. I'll have a link on the first paragraph of the video description. Just click on that. It'll take you to my Class B page. What I have, and I'm looking for more. So if you've got one for sale, folks, let me know, please. Thank you for watching. Look forward to seeing you here in beautiful Ringgold, Georgia.